The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch in effect from 8 a.m. Friday through late Friday night. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Portions of central New York, including the following areas: Delaware, Otsego and Sullivan and northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: northern Wayne, Pike and southern Wayne. When? From 8 a.m. Friday through late Friday night. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: https://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
Blah, blah, blah.